Discover Albania. Strange laws, disgusting food, rare animals, weird traditions, and hidden gems. Have you ever wondered why a country surrounded by popular tourist destinations remains relatively unexplored? Today, we unravel the enigma that is Albania. Nestled in the heart of Europe, Albania is a small yet strikingly beautiful country, often overlooked by the throngs of tourists who flock to its more famous neighbors, Italy and Greece. Albania, however, offers a unique blend of natural splendor, rich history, and vibrant culture that truly sets it apart. Geographically, Albania is a fascinating fusion of rugged mountains, pristine beaches, and bustling urban landscapes. In the north, the towering peaks of the Dinaric Alps create a natural playground for adventurers. To the west, the Adriatic and Ionian coastlines stretch out, a stunning display of turquoise waters and golden sands. And in between, urban centers like Tirana, the capital, buzz with energy and excitement. But it's not just the geographical diversity that makes Albania a compelling destination. The country's history is a rich tapestry, woven with threads of Illyrian, Roman, Ottoman, and, more recently, communist influences. These epical layers have left behind a legacy of architectural wonders, ancient ruins, and cultural traditions that are as varied as they are intriguing. Albania's culture is a unique blend of Eastern and Western influences. From the traditional polyphonic music echoing in the mountain villages to the vibrant folk dances performed during festivals, the Albanian culture is a testament to the resilient spirit of its people. It's a culture that embraces the old while constantly evolving with the new. To say that Albania is a hidden gem would be an understatement. It's a country that's waiting to be discovered, a place where every turn reveals a new surprise. From the sun-kissed beaches of the Albanian Riviera to the historic castles dotting the landscape, the charms of Albania are many and varied. So why does this vibrant, diverse, and intriguing country remain so unexplored? Perhaps it's the simple fact that Albania's treasures are still relatively unknown to the world. Or maybe it's the allure of the undiscovered that makes Albania such an enigma. So buckle up as we delve into a journey of discovery, unearthing the peculiarities and splendors of Albania. Every country has its quirks, and Albania is no exception. Ever heard of a place where nodding means no and shaking your head means yes? Now that might make for some interesting misunderstandings, but it's just one of the curious customs that make Albania so fascinating. For instance, did you know that Albanians have a tradition of hospitality called besa? It's a cultural practice so deep-rooted that it's almost seen as a law, obliging Albanians to assist and protect guests, come what may. The word besa itself means trust, and it's a testament to the generous spirit of the Albanian people. Let's dive into the language for a moment. Albanian, or Shqip, is unique. It doesn't belong to any other language family, and it has two dialects that are so distinct they could almost be considered separate languages. Add to that a multitude of local accents, and you've got a linguistic puzzle that could baffle even the most seasoned polyglot. Now let's talk about time. In many parts of the world, we're used to the 12-hour clock, but in Albania, the 24-hour clock reigns supreme. So you might find yourself scratching your head when your Albanian friend suggests meeting at 19 o'clock. But don't worry, you'll get the hang of it with a bit of practice. And what about laws? Well, there's one that might seem a bit strange to outsiders. In Albania, it's illegal to change your car's oil in the street. It's a law designed to protect the environment, but it can certainly come as a surprise to those used to a quick roadside fix. Albania's unique laws and customs might seem bewildering at first, but they're a part of what makes this country so intriguing. As they say, when in Rome, do as the Romans do. But when in Albania, be prepared for a cultural experience like no other. Confusing? Maybe. Interesting? Absolutely. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. Albanian cuisine might not be for the faint-hearted, but it's certainly a gastronomic adventure you won't forget. Venturing into the realm of Albanian food, one might encounter dishes that seem straight out of a culinary dare. Imagine this. You're presented with a plate of fried frog legs, a popular delicacy in the country. Now you might be thinking, do they taste like chicken? Well, there's only one way to find out, right? Next, we have tave kosi. It's a traditional Albanian dish, but it's not your typical meat and potatoes affair. No, tave kosi is a savory dish featuring baked lamb and rice, all smothered in a thick, tangy yogurt sauce. If you're a fan of contrasting flavors, this might just tickle your palate. But hold on. Don't put away your adventurous spirit just yet. Let's talk about flia. At first glance, it may look like a simple layered pancake, but each layer is painstakingly baked one at a time over an open flame. The process takes hours, but the locals say it's worth the wait. And of course, who could forget the infamous pispili? This dish consists of cornbread stuffed with spinach and cheese. It's like a savory pie that brings together the earthy flavors of spinach, the creaminess of cheese, and the rustic charm of cornbread. But let's not stop there. Have you ever tried snails? In Albania, they're often cooked in a hot pot with plenty of garlic, creating a dish that is both unique and, to some, a little unappetizing. But, as they say, don't knock it until you've tried it. Finally, let's not forget the local liquors. Raki, a potent fruit brandy, is a must-try for those with a strong constitution. Just remember to sip slowly. This drink packs a punch. So there you have it, a brief tour through the more unique offerings of Albanian cuisine. It may not be everyone's cup of tea, but it's sure to offer a culinary experience like no other. Remember, one man's you might be another's yum. So, are you ready for your next culinary adventure? Albania is not just about unique customs and intriguing food. It's also home to some of the rarest wildlife in Europe. Nestled in the heart of the Balkans, this compact nation is a haven for biodiversity. From rugged mountains to serene coastal wetlands, the varied landscapes of Albania provide shelter for a plethora of unique and endangered species. Let's start with the Dalmatian pelican, an emblem of Albania's rich bird life. With its striking white plumage and enormous wingspan, this pelican is a sight to behold. It's one of the world's largest freshwater birds, yet sadly, it's also one of the most threatened. Efforts are ongoing to protect these magnificent birds and their habitats. Next, we delve into Albania's forests, home to the elusive Balkan lynx. This big cat is as mysterious as it is endangered, with fewer than 50 believed to be roaming the wilds of Albania. Efforts to safeguard this captivating creature are a testament to Albania's commitment to preserving its natural heritage. Now, imagine a turtle that can live for over 100 years. Meet the Hermann's tortoise, a long-lived reptile native to Albania's Mediterranean scrublands. These slow-moving herbivorous creatures are a delightful sight, often found basking in the sun or munching on foliage. But Albania's wildlife isn't just about the animals. The country's ecosystems are just as fascinating. Take the Karavasta Lagoon, part of the Divjaka Pines National Park. It's a vital nesting site for the aforementioned Dalmatian pelicans and a sanctuary for many other bird species. Then there's the Valbona Valley, a stunning mountainous region where you might spot the Balkan lynx if you're incredibly lucky. In the world of the small and often overlooked, Albania is home to a unique snail species found nowhere else on Earth, the Prespa lake snail. This tiny mollusk is a testament to Albania's unique and varied biodiversity. Albania's biodiversity is a testament to its untouched and unspoiled beauty. From the tallest peaks to the smallest snail, each creature plays a vital role in the tapestry of life that makes Albania such a fascinating destination for nature lovers and explorers alike. Albania's rich history has given birth to traditions that might seem strange to outsiders, but are deeply ingrained in the local culture. Let's embark on a journey through the time-honored customs of this captivating country, starting with traditional clothing. In the northern highlands, you'll find the fustanella, a white pleated kilt worn by men. This sartorial statement, complete with a white shirt, embroidered vest, and high socks, is a symbol of Albanian pride and identity. Then, there's the music, an eclectic blend of diverse influences. Albania's folk music is characterized by the hauntingly beautiful iso-polyphony. Recognized by UNESCO as a masterpiece of the oral and intangible heritage of humanity, iso-polyphony is a style of singing where voices rise and fall in harmony, creating a sound as rugged and dramatic as the Albanian landscape itself. But the traditions don't stop at clothing and music. Let's talk about the festivals. The Dita e Verës, or Summer Day, is a uniquely Albanian festival celebrated in mid-March. It's a vibrant celebration of nature's awakening, filled with colorful processions, music, and traditional food. Children exchange balakumi, an Albanian cookie, symbolizing the sweetness of the coming spring. Another intriguing tradition is the Gjirokastër National Folklore Festival. Held every 5 years in the stone city of Gjirokastër, this festival showcases the rich tapestry of Albanian culture. From traditional dances to intricate crafts, the festival is a living testament to the country's cultural resilience. Albania's traditions are as diverse as its geography. From the striking fustanella to the ethereal strains of iso-polyphony, from the joyous celebrations of Dita e Verës to the cultural mosaic of the Gjirokastër National Folklore Festival, these traditions provide a vibrant snapshot of a nation steeped in history. These traditions are not just customs, they are a window into Albania's soul. Like a melodious song or a captivating dance, they tell a story of a people and their journey through time. So, next time you find yourself in Albania, why not immerse yourself in these traditions and experience the heart of the Albanian spirit? Albania is not just about the oddities, it's also about the awe-inspiring beauty that remains largely undiscovered. Let's journey off the beaten path into the heart of the Albanian Alps, where we find Theth, a village that's a living postcard, nestled amidst sky-kissing mountains and emerald green landscapes. Here, time seems to have stood still. The locals, who are as warm as the sun that bathes the valley, live in harmony with nature, following age-old traditions. Theth is a hiker's paradise, with trails that lead to stunning waterfalls and panoramic views that take your breath away. Now, let's travel south to the city of Gjirokastër, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This city is often referred to as the City of Stone due to its hundreds of Ottoman-style houses made from local stone. Gjirokastër is a living museum with a history that dates back over 2,400 years. Walking through its cobbled streets, you'll feel like you've stepped back in time. The ancient castle overlooking the city offers a bird's-eye view of the whole area, a sight that is truly mesmerizing. Lastly, we journey to the Blue Eye Spring, or Siri e Kalter, a natural phenomenon that's a marvel to behold. This water spring is famous for its stunning, clear blue water that seems to glow from within. The more you stare into its depths, the more it mesmerizes you. It's like looking into the very soul of Albania. These hidden gems of Albania, each unique in its own way, offer experiences that are far removed from the typical tourist trail. They provide a glimpse into the country's rich history, diverse culture, and extraordinary natural beauty. So, here's a question for you. When you think of Albania, do you think of these hidden gems? If not, it's high time you did. These hidden gems are waiting for you to discover them. So, when are you packing your bags? So, there you have it. A journey through the strange, the curious, the beautiful, and the undiscovered corners of Albania. We've walked through the enigmatic allure of Albania, a country that's been shrouded in mystery for many, yet brimming with a rich tapestry of culture, history, and natural beauty. We've delved into its peculiar laws and customs, a testament to the country's unique heritage and the resilience of its people. We've also had a taste of its cuisine, a gastronomic adventure that, while may seem unappetizing to some, is a delightful exploration of the nation's diverse culinary influences. From the tavkosi, a savory dish of lamb and rice baked under a layer of egg and yogurt sauce that might make some squirm, to the byrek, a flaky pastry filled with anything from cheese to spinach that leaves us wanting more. We've glimpsed into the wild side of Albania, a paradise for nature enthusiasts, with its rare wildlife and breathtaking landscapes. From the endangered Dalmatian pelican making its home on the serene Lake Skadar, to the elusive Balkan lynx prowling the rugged mountains, Albania's biodiversity is a world waiting to be discovered. We've discovered the country's unusual traditions, like the Gjirokastër, a folk festival that celebrates the rich tapestry of Albanian culture and heritage, and the fascinating sworn virgins of the North, women who live as men for a life of freedom and respect in a patriarchal society, a tradition that sheds light on the complexity of gender roles and societal expectations. And lastly, we've unearthed the hidden gems of Albania. From the ancient city of Butrint, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that whispers tales of historical grandeur, to the stunning Blue Eye Spring, a natural phenomenon that dazzles with its crystal-clear turquoise waters. Albania, with its quirks and charms, is a country waiting to be explored. It's a place where the unusual is celebrated, where the unexpected is the norm, and where every corner holds a story waiting to be told. So, why wait? Embark on your Albanian adventure today.